Welcome back to my channel. So, bhai, normally we follow that, we are talking about CFA and stuff, but today we are going to talk about my first app. And as you know, this is the IPL season. So, I just thought I'll just show you what I have built. So, bhai, we built the हो गया वो app, but we don't have the proof of concept that people would actually want to use it. So here is the video, bhai. I'll just show you the demo of the app. You could, tell me ki what are the improvements that could be done, and if you'll actually play it or not, if I should actually launch it in App Store or Play Store. And without wasting any time, let me just show you the app. Okay, so I'll just open the app right now. So this is the app. So by as you'll be opening it, here you can enter any name. So let's just say I put my name in here and we can choose any player. So for example, Virat Kohli or Dhoni, we choose anyone. And then as soon as you open now, you can see the app. What is it? How do you play it? You could either do next and read it or skip it because I'm going to be explaining it anyway. So as of now, why this is totally based on IPL because and then so here are the modes. We have easy, medium, and hard mode. And then we have daily challenge. We have rank. So if more and more people join, this will get updated daily, or as in who's winning the most and all. And here's the profile where you could like see all your stats. So for example, let's say easy mode. Here you have six chances. Okay, six guesses. So as soon as you open the game and select a mode, here the app assigned you a player. So I let's say for example, ऐप मेरे को एक्स प्लेयर असाइन कर दिया. सो टू स्टार्ट विद आई कैन राइट एनी प्लेयर्स नेम, हुएवर मतलब जिसका भी नाम लिख रहे हो उसका नाम आ जाएगा. तो इजी मोड में वी हैव डेटा ऑफ 60 प्लेयर्स, राइट. एज सुन एज यू ओपन द ऐप, राइट, ओके, जैसे ही मैंने विराट कोहली लिखा, एज यू कैन सी स्टैट्स आ गए. तो भाई इसमें क्या है, जो जो मेरे को प्लेयर गेस करना है ना, उसके ये सब स्टैट्स है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ बैट्समैन में कलर चेंज नहीं हुआ, मतलब द प्लेयर आई हैव टू गेस ही इज आइदर अ ऑलराउंडर, विकेट कीपर और बॉलर, बट इज नॉट अ बैट्समैन. एंड टीम आरसीबी ऑल्सो कलर नहीं है, मतलब ही वॉज नेवर इन आरसीबी एंड करेंटली भी आरसीबी में नहीं है. एंड देन भाई ग्रीन कलर मतलब ही इज अ राइट हैंड बैट्समैन. इफ ही नेसेसरली नहीं है कि वो बैट्समैन ही है, बट इफ ही बैट्स देन ही इज अ राइट हैंड बैट्समैन. एंड देन भाई यहाँ पे तुम लोग एरो मार्क देख सकते हो. सो हिज डेब्यू ईयर वाज आफ्टर 2008 एंड हिज जर्सी नंबर इज ग्रेटर देन 18. So let's say कि भाई I'm assuming कि maybe it could be a bowler. So let's go with Bumrah. Okay. So अभी जो हम लोग को guess करना, वो हम लोग को दिख रहा है कि he's a bowler because this is green. And then batting right hand, debut year is again 2013 के बाद है and jersey is 93 के ऊपर. Okay. And then why we'll have to guess it. And why team में there is actually two things. So if it's no color is there, then he was neither in that team and he's currently not in that team. If it's green, then he is actually मतलब अभी उस टीम में है. एंड इफ इट इज ऑरेंज, मतलब वो पहले इस टीम में रह चुका है बट करेंटली इज नॉट इन दिस टीम. सो लेट मी जस्ट से बॉलर में भाई चहल could be the one, but I could have written Chahal because he's not in RCB. But अगर चहल was the answer, then RCB का जो ये नाम है ना, that would have been in orange because Chahal already played in RCB, right? So that is the normal like game के बारे में in short. So let me just guess. Okay, give me some time. I'll just fast forward it. Okay, so it was Mathisha Pathirana. So I this is how the game is. So ऐसे कर करके तुम लोग वापस खेल सकते हो. We have also added a feature, जहाँ पे तुम लोग coins भी होते हैं तुम्हारे डेली के, हाँ तुम लोग देख सकते हो. So you could use it. So वो भी feature add कर सकते हैं. And then we even have daily भाई, तो यहाँ पे rank भी दिख सकता है कि daily में कौन जीत रहा है नहीं जीत रहा है. ये भी easy mode पे based है. So the only difference is as of now the number of players data. तो इसमें टॉप 50-60 जो भी फेमस प्लेयर्स है ऑफ आईपीएल, दैट वी हैव इंक्लूडेड इन इजी मोड. In medium mode, we have actually increased the number of guesses, and the players' data is actually a lot more. And in hard mode, I guess it's around 200 to 250 players' data. So it's like elite level. You'll have to have cricket knowledge, IPL knowledge as of now to learn that. So this is our app as of now. यहाँ पे proper है. You could see all the मतलब तुम लोग के stats के बारे में. So this is about the app. Let me know if you like it or not. What are the improvements we should make if I should launch it in the app store or not.